Thought I'd go to the grocery store and pick up a cheap dinner, $1.25. Yep. I better savor every bite of this chicken. All 5. That's Connor. I gotta get some more food. Are you begging for food? What are you doing? I just let out the dogs to go pee. Sure enough, they're peeing on the neighbor's lawn. Bubba! Come here. This is not working well. Come on. So what do you do in California on a Friday night? I'm getting groceries. It's rainy, it rained all day. In fact, it was hailing at work. Anyways, I was supposed to go to San Francisco this weekend, but the weather was looking awful. The commute was gonna be a little long, and I was just like, you know what? I'll do it next weekend. So now I have no plans for the weekend. I have no idea what I'm gonna be doing because it's supposed to rain all weekend. And I mean, you can't really Z-board or longboard in the rain, but knowing me, I'll probably end up doing so. I'm just praying it's not gonna pour on me when I come out of the supermarket. Had one hell of a walk back. Let's just say I'm very glad I picked up my milk earlier today. I'm done. I'm tired. And it's not even raining. I made it home. Alive. Didn't get mugged. Not yet, at least. Fun fact. Did you know that the Central Valley is home to like over 70% of America's meth production? Yeah, I didn't know that either. Modesto. Holy, that didn't used to be flooded. That is a lot of water. This path goes up the other side, and the fence is almost completely submerged. That is a lot of freaking water. Who owns this dog? San Fran, but like, this isn't bad either. Modesto's not that bad, you know? Time to explore. This is some of the nicest weather I've seen so far here. Ooh, drifted a little there. That was fun. Ooh. Getting slippery. First time I've ever ridden it to basically dead. I kind of wonder how much longer it'll go for actually. A little more juice? Real question is, can I get back home? Oh. I think the light went out. Yep, that's it. Time to start pushing. It's actually not that bad to push. I think it's easier to push when the battery is dead, but it's actually not that much harder than pushing a regular longboard, which is nice. nice. It's supposed to be rainy all weekend. Oh my goodness, all of the water is gone. They must have drained it overnight. Just for a quick comparison, here's where I was standing yesterday. Now you can completely see the path.